Hey fashionistas, welcome back to my channel Silhouette Sutra Fashion and Style, your one-stop destination for all things trendy. Fashion in India is undergoing major transformation this year 2025. So today I am spilling all the beans on women's fashion trends, both western wear and Indian wear. Today we will talk about return of Y2K nostalgia, bold power dressing, bubble silhouettes, statement accessories, modern desi elegance. In short, everything you need to know to stay ahead in your style game in 2025. So grab your coffee and let's dive in. Let's talk about Western wear. Year 2025 is all about your confidence, individuality, and nostalgia with a twist. First, we'll talk about key fashion trends. First one is Y2K revival. The year 2000 still influencing Indian fashion, but it is more refined. Think about micro skirt, cargo pants, bedazzled top, but styled with a modern touch. You can say it is a mixture of maximalism and minimalism together. Second major trend is power dressing 2.0. Blazers with sharp shoulders, structured cord set, bold monochromatic suits. Power dressing is getting fierce this year. Next major trend is bubble silhouette and playful shapes. From a puffy skirts to oversized sleeves, balloon hemline, all the exaggerated shapes are taking center stage. Next major trend is athleisure revival, which is effortless and stylish. Think about sleek sports bras, high waisted joggers, oversized hoodies, but paired with chic accessories. Another major fashion trend which we'll see this year is denim on denim. Think about Y2K Brittany vibe, but more polished way. You will see lots of denim maxi skirts around, then baggy denim pants with structured denim top, corset denim tops. These are all pieces you will see around this year. Another new major fashion trend going to be ultra feminine coquette aesthetics. We will see lots of bows, laces, corset tops, flowy silhouette, giving a soft romantic touch to everyday dressing. Let's talk about major fabric trends in Western wear fashion. So first one is sheer and shimmer. We will see lots of mesh tops, metallic dresses, shiny satin fabric will be around for our night out looks. Then we will see another trend is textured denim. We will not only see our regular denim, but it will come with acid washes, patchworks, two-tone denim, which will elevate our casual look. Few more fabrics which are grabbing attention this year are tweed and boucle for effortless classic styles. Think about Chanel inspired tweed jackets, skirts, structured cord sets. Another fabric which is going to be around this year will be stretchy, sporty fabric where comfort meets fashion. We will see lots of second skin fits, then compression fabrics. It's all about effortless, comfortable style. Now let's discuss trending colors of this year. Red is the color of the year, which is bold, powerful, and statement making. We'll see lots of fiery red and cherry red this year. Other colors are pastel hues. We will see lots of soft pinks, soft blues, and lilac around, which will add soft feminine touch to our dressing. Futuristic silver and chrome, shiny metallics are taking over, especially for the party wear. Neo mint and digital lavender, cool tone pastel with takey futuristic vibe is trending big this year. Let's talk about accessories. For the jewelry, we'll see lots of chunky gold and silver accessories. We'll see thick chains in gold and silver, big statement earrings, chunky earrings, lots of rings will bring the drama in this year. For the footwear, we'll see open toe sandals, ballet flats, knee-high boots. For the bags, we will see Y2K revival, mini shoulder bags, moon bags will see around. Now let's talk about Indian fashion. This year, Indian fashion is experiencing modern renaissance, blending heritage craftsmanship with contemporary styling. Let's break it down. First major trend in Indian fashion is draped and pre-stitched sari. Since last year, we have seen lots of pre-draped and pre-stitched saris in the market. These pre-draped saris comes with ruffles, belt, blazers, giving ethnic wear a modern touch and making it easier to carry. Lehenga choli is replaced by structured corset top and blazer style blouses, redefining Indian festive fashion wear. This year we will see lots of asymmetric kurtas, giving it a edgy vibe. We'll see lots of low hem in kurtas. Though Western fusion wear will get upgrade this year, we will see lots of sharara pant with crop tops, dhoti style skirts, sari with the belt, lehenga with the blazer. We'll see lots of flowy, voluminous silhouettes this year. We will see layered anarkalis, bubble hemlines, exaggerated dupattas, and dramatic flares, making traditional wear more fun and fashionable. Let's talk about fabrics in trend. First one is chiffons and organza. These delicate fabrics making traditional wear more airy and elegant. Woven textures like Banarasi silk, Chanderi cotton, Jamdani are making strong comeback in modern silhouettes. Embellished mesh and laces are adding contemporary touch to our traditional Indian outfits. Brushed velvet and metallic silks are perfect for winter weddings. Now let's talk about the colors of this season. Cherry red and vermilion is the color of the season. Powerful, making statements and big in trend. Other than that, soft pastel hues like lavender, peach, and powder blue are giving our traditional attire a flowy feminine silhouette. For the earthy tones, you can pick olive, mustard, and terracotta colors. If you want to attend a winter wedding or winter festivities, you can opt for ruby, emerald, and sapphire colors. Now, last but not least, let's talk about Indian accessories. For the jewelry, we will see lots of big jhumkas and chandbalis, oversized jhumkas and chandbalis. For the bags, we will see lots of potli bags and embellished clutches with which will go with Indian attire. For the footwear, we will see flats, embroidered jutis, and platform heels, block heels. We will see a lot this season. That's it for today. Which fashion trend are you most excited about? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such updates. Until next time, stay stylish, stay safe. Bye.